Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Your boy Sneak back all up in this thing, you know what I'm saying? And today I'm gonna be making homemade hand sanitizer. Pretty much you only need 2 ingredients for this: some fresh aloe vera and alcohol, rubbing alcohol, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I got right here: some nice 50% isopropyl alcohol. You could use something stronger than that, don't really matter, you know what I'm saying? And this is just a container that I'm gonna put it in, you know what I'm saying? So I got my blender right here that's just gonna help me out, makes it a lot faster, a lot easier. You don't necessarily need it, but I would recommend it. So let's get straight into this thing. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is cut up this aloe vera, and I'm going to do it in sections probably to make it easy. And make sure you clean this first before you get to chopping it up to use it for anything. About 3 sections, that should be good. Alright, look at that. Alright, so the way that I like to do it is, like I said, you cut it in some manageable sections, and then you see, you know, you got spikes. These spikes along the on both sides of your leaf. I like to come and just take that whole thing off, both sides. I'm gonna just show y'all this for this section of the leaf, and pretty much just do the same thing for the other sections. So there's a couple of different ways you can do it. What I find the easiest is to just chop this long ways into, you know, 2 or 3 more sections. And be careful when you're doing this. This gel gets on the outside of the leaf, you know, it can get kind of slippery in your hands. But so then I just come in and literally just skim this entire outer part of the leaf off of both sides. So you get that jelly. That's what we're looking for right there. So drop that in the blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. I'm probably gonna skip through it because y'all don't need to see all that, but alright, so y'all can see that was my light work right there, you know what I'm saying? And right here got a good amount of jelly up in there, so go ahead and blend this up. Alright, so it's done. So mixed up pretty good, you know what I'm saying? So I got the container that I'm gonna use right here, and pretty much the recipe is about 1 part aloe, 2 parts alcohol. So 1/3 aloe, 2/3 alcohol. You know what I mean? So pretty much I'm just fill it up to what I think about 1/3 of this is, and then the rest fill it up with alcohol. So I'm trying to do this in frame for y'all, so hopefully I don't spill this nasty slimy stuff on all over the floor. A little bit. Yep, and that's about it. So the rest is just gonna be alcohol. And boom, you got a bottle of homemade hand sanitizer. Close it up. You want to get at a good shake. And what you can also do, add a drop of some essential oils or something in there. But feels good, cool, nice and smooth. Hands smell good. So homemade hand sanitizer. If you appreciate this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Get in tune with me on all social media. It's all the same, sneak_804. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out. Squad.